One of the biggest questions that I get from first-time home buyers is, how much money do I need to buy a house? This is actually one of the easiest challenges to overcome when you're getting ready to buy a house. We base your mortgage qualification mostly on your income and your credit debt, as well as your credit history. If you haven't saved money for a house, we can use programs, down payment assistance programs. You can get the seller to help cover closing costs. You can get gift funds from a family. But the more money that you have to put towards your purchase just means that you have more loan choices. So if this is the part that is holding you back from purchasing a home, it would be a good idea to talk to a lender to see what actually you could qualify for. And then if you want to keep building on your savings, then you'll know how much to dedicate towards that goal. So hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, let me know.